السلام عليكم. Solve for theta for this specified domain. We have 2 cotan theta, cotan squared theta minus 11 cotan theta plus 14 equals x. Let's make this 2x squared minus 11x plus 14. We can say that let cotan theta equals x. We solve for x. We can solve for x by mod 5-3 using calculator. So we can say mod 5-3 and x squared is 2 and negative 11 and 14. So x1 is 7/2 and x1 is cotan. This is one solution, and the other solution is x2 is 2. x2, which is cotan theta, the other solution is 2. So this is positive and this is positive. So cotan is reciprocal of tan. So tan is equal to 1 over cotan, which is reciprocal of this number. 7/2 will be 2/7. And it is positive. So using asterisk rule, ASTC, tan is positive in quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 3. And the other one, tan, will be reciprocal of this cotan, which is 1 over cotan theta, which is 1/2. So we have two solutions and another two solutions, quadrant number 1 and quadrant number 3. So when tan theta equals 2/7, move tan to the other side, so theta equals inverse tan 2/7, and this is equal to what? We make the mode to be in degree, which is 3, and mode 1, inverse tan 2/7. Theta is equal to 15.9 degree. This is one solution. So 15.9 would be here, 15.9, and would be here, 15.9. And this one, tan theta equals 1/2. So move this tan to the other side. So theta is inverse tan of 1/2. So theta equals what? Inverse tan of 1/2, 1/2, is 26. Theta equals 26.6 degree. So this will be 26 here, 0.6, and 26.6 here. So in the domain, it is said here from negative 180 less than or equal to theta, and theta is greater than 180 and less than or equal to 180 degree. So we have negative 180 and then 0 and then positive 180. We said we have two solutions. This angle negative degree is this angle is negative 180 plus 15.9. So this is negative, what is this number? Negative 180 plus 15.9, negative 164. So one solution is negative 164.1 degree. This is here. So we have one solution, negative 164.1, and we have this angle. It is positive 15.9. This is another solution. And we have this angle. It is negative 180 plus 26.6, which is, what is this? Negative 180 plus 26.6. This is negative 153.4 degree. And we have this solution here is just 26.6 degree. So we have four solutions. Theta equals negative 164.1, negative 153.4, positive 15.9, and positive 26.6. Four solutions. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'll see you in next video.